Yo, what's up everyone? In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to dodge a Will Smith slap. There were a couple wrong things that Chris Rock did there in that moment. Well, first he told a joke about his wife while he was standing there. Secondly, he let his guard down. How could you do that? Now, if you're like me and you've watched a lot of Will Smith movies, you would have known that Will Smith was more likely to throw a right hand first. And in knowing that, if you were Chris Rock, you would have tried to block it with your right hand as well, like so. If you did this, Will Smith's right hand was also going to come like this and would have looked like they were dabbing each other up. I made an illustration for you, so here's the video. Imagine this is Will Smith's right hand and this is Chris Rock's right hand. Basically, that's how it would have looked, and it would look like they were dapping each other up, and then they could have went their separate ways. And then the heat of the moment would have passed by because Will Smith would have missed his shot, and I doubt anyone's gonna try to follow through again if you miss your first shot. You're gonna make it look like it was a joke and you were taking a piss. So that's how you dodge a Will Smith slap.